Here we go, guys. These are frozen oysters, cooked straight from frozen. Absolutely amazing. You won't taste better frozen cooked oysters. The secret is take them out of the freezer, put them in the air fryer. I've put them in the air fryer for about, I think it was about 3 minutes on low, and that was enough just to pop open the shells. So the shells pop open, then you can take the lids off and it's not too hot to handle, and the oysters are still frozen, as you can see. They're just starting to thaw. Put the air fryer, put the oysters into foil, which is just sort of bunched up a little bit so the airflow can still go around in the air fryer. Put it back in the air fryer, so we'll go through that now. So they're all sitting up, they've all got a bit of Worcestershire sauce in, that's all, nothing else. We could put cheese, you could put bacon. Right, now we're going to cook them on high. So we're going to go up to, we're going to go up nice and high. So I'm going to go up to about 190, and I'm going to cook them for, I reckon, around about, I reckon we'll go 8, 9, we'll do about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, press the start button, and I'll come back to you shortly. But these oysters are stunning and straight from the freezer. So you don't have to defrost them and keep them in your fridge, and then you forget about them. Just take them straight out of the freezer, defrost them like I said, take the lids off them like that, put them back in the air fryer, put on whatever you want, put them through the air fryer, and you'll see what they come out shortly. So I'm just going to pause it, and I'll come back to you in 10 minutes. Okay, change of plan. We're going to add cheese. Okay, we're going to add cheese. Only because I love cheese. I do love cheese. Look at it. Look at them cooking already. Look at them cooking already. Look at them go. Okay, so we put a piece of cheese on each one. You only need to put, you don't just grate it or anything. Just let it melt on top. So put a piece of cheese on top of each one. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. And that should go. I might have to give it a fraction longer though. We'll see. You're cooking it in the seawater juices that's in the shell, and that's where the flavour is. Don't get that out. A lot of people defrost it and then they tip out the salt water. Don't do that. That is amazing flavour in there. So make sure you keep it. Cooking it, eat it. Salt water, it's not going to hurt you. Salt water, you know what salt is? Salt is flavour. Flavour, flavour, flavour. Now I'm just going to give this a fraction more time. So let's just go back up to 5. Hit go. All right. We'll pause it again, and I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, here we go. It's ready. All right. So just open this up carefully. Always open it carefully, because if you tip them over, you're going to lose all that beautiful juice. Okay, so just be very careful. Opening the air fryer, try not to disturb them too much. And look at that, have a look at that. Have a look at those. Have a look. God, I wish you could smell them. They are unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I'm just going to stop the video, put them on the plate, and then I'll come back to you when I've tasted them.